Hey everyone, and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix common calling issues on your Android phone, especially when incoming calls don't show up or your phone doesn't ring at all. Let's get started. There are several possible reasons why your phone isn't ringing or showing incoming calls. It could be due to network connection issues such as weak signal, no service, or problems with your carrier. You might also have Bluetooth enabled and connected to a device that isn't actively in use, causing calls to route there instead of your phone. If you're in a basement or driving through a tunnel, your signal may be significantly weakened or completely lost, which can cause interruptions or prevent incoming calls from coming through altogether. In today's video, I'm going to share a few helpful tips to fix this issue. The first tip is simple. Whenever you experience a problem with your phone, start by restarting it. Turning your phone off and then back on can quickly clear temporary glitches and often resolves many common issues. As you can see here, I'm trying to call my second phone. The call is going through and ringing on my first phone, but nothing is showing up on the second phone. It's not ringing at all. This is exactly the issue we're going to fix. If you're still experiencing calling issues after restarting your phone, try the next step. Open the settings on your phone, go to Bluetooth, and turn it off. Sometimes your phone may still be connected to an inactive Bluetooth device, which can cause calls to be routed there instead of ringing on your phone. To avoid this issue, keep Bluetooth turned off when you're not using wireless headphones or other connected devices. Open Settings, then Connections, and turn Bluetooth off. In my case here, Bluetooth was not the problem. If the issue is still not resolved, move on to the next step. Check your network connection, as a weak signal or no service can prevent incoming calls from coming through or being displayed on your phone. Ensuring you have a stable network connection is essential for receiving calls properly, the same when you are calling someone. To quickly fix network, open Settings, look for flight mode or airplane mode in your phone. Turn that on for 2 seconds and turn it off immediately. This will refresh your phone signal and fix problems. And by the way, airplane mode feature can fix any glitches you have in your phone. Wi-Fi, mobile data, Bluetooth, and general network in your device. The airplane mode trick will usually fix these glitches. Now get someone call you and see if you can receive incoming calls. If you receive calls, then that's fine. I hope this helped you fix your phone incoming call problems. Please let us know if you have any further issues related to calling in the comments below so we can help you further, because each problem is a different situation. Subscribe and like the video so you don't miss our future videos. Thank you for watching.